Okie dokie, I am about to leave to have a girls' night with my sisters. So we're all staying at my sister's place and we're gonna have a movie night, watch Christmas movies, and just stay over. So I've packed, I've all the essentials I need for a sleepover. I haven't had a sleepover in like so long and like never slept over like with my sisters. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. So this is the driving fit. I still need to put my shoes on, but otherwise I am ready to go. My sister just messaged me saying that she already picked up my little sister and she's on her way home. It's going to take me about, according to the maps, it's going to take me about 46 minutes to get there. It's all the way in Sea Point and it's the 7th rugby, so traffic is going to be unpleasant, but hey, nothing a few good Christmas tunes in the car can't solve. I am about to go. So the next morning, my sister woke up and had this bright idea that we will walk to the beach instead of drive. It seemed like such a great idea, so we set out to walk all the way from Sea Point to Clifton. In the end, in total, we walked 13 kilometers and I had over 16,000 steps. Here we can see the beach and we were just so thankful to almost be there and relax, because I think we underestimated the distance we had to walk, especially since I only had my sandals to wear. At this point, I already had formed like intense, massive blisters on both my feet as well as on top of my feet. But once we were on the beach with the view and everything, it just seemed to be worth it. So yeah, I'm just soaking up the sun and reading a book, having the best summer day. When we were walking on our way back, we stopped at Mojo Market to grab some smoothies, and that was the end of our Saturday. We've just gotten back from the shops and it's load shedding. It's been load shedding for like 3 hours already. We managed to kill a lot of time in the shop this morning. Also, we have Friendsmas this afternoon. This morning I had to wake up early so that I can cook the corned beef this morning before the power cut out at 10 and also make the butternut for my butternut salad. I managed to do that, which is a win. So we just got back from the shop and I am going to wrap some presents. We are doing white elephant at Friendsmas, so I'm gonna wrap those things and also wrap a few other gifts that I've already bought. But look at the cute wrapping paper that we bought at Checkers. Look at this one, it's so cute. And this is still from last year. Ooh, babe, did you already open your advent? Yeah, you did. Okay, let me open my advent calendar. It's the 17th today. This advent calendar is so underwhelming. Like, just get 2 little eggs. I got a purple and a blue. I'm also drinking water out of this because can't have coffee. No shitting. Let me show you what I actually got, what we got for White Elephant. So Jason got these coasters, which are so nice. It's a pack of 4 wooden coasters. Like, I would really like this in our place because that's what we need. We still need coasters. And then I got this cute little dish. Like, it's so small, but it's so cute for like on a platter. You can just put like your, like, look at this. I'm gonna take it out now. Look at the lid, it's so adorable. Does it not even fit? I am upset, babe. No, man. The lid is bigger than the freaking dish. I'm gonna have to return this. Sure, that's messed up. This lid is too big for the dish. I can't gift this.
It's weird.
Anyway, let me wrap some stuff. Figure that out later. Okay, we are about to leave, and this is my fit. White pants, black sandals, green shirt. I made a butternut feta and rocket salad, and then the beef is in there, taking this gravy with, and then our drinks of our drinks of choice. So yeah, I'm ready. Babe, are you ready? Let's see your outfit. Oh wow, you look gorgeous.
H&M.
Reppin', is this H&M?
Not this one.
Let's go. One, two, three. Cheers!
In love, I think you got in love.
I'm in love.
Yeah, that's definitely love. It's the head of the tail.
I'm in love. I'm scared. I
Oh, no, make coffee. Look, what's that now?
Passion.
No, I think too much trouble. But what does passion mean? Wait, is
Yeah,
that,
yours is definitely passion.
but what does that mean?
Jealousy.
You're jealous?
Or could be someone jealous of it.
Want sy het nie gespring nie.